Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of Azure Storage Services. In this session we are going to overlook the Azure file storage. In our previous sessions or the part 1 session of Azure storage, we see how to do operation on Azure blob storage and what are the other Azure services. So these are the Azure services: Azure blob, Azure file, queues, table and disks. In our part 1 session, we discussed what is Azure blob services and how to upload and delete and download the files in Azure blob. So in today's session, we are going to see Azure files. So if you missed my previous session, I will give the link on I button. Please check it out. So this is all about Azure blobs. Today we are going to see Azure file storage. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. So for this we need a Nuget package which is called azure.storage.file.share. Also we are going to create a Azure storage account inside our Azure portal. So I clicked on create. So this is my first part, blob storage. I'll give the link, this link on I button. You can check it out. So let's create. I'm giving my name BIS Azure files. So here I'm from India, so I'm giving South India. So here I'm not doing anything, so I'm just giving low cost option for basic protection against server rack, because I'm going to do some demo. So here click on review and create. So while validation pass, click on create, submitting deployment. Deployment progress. In between, let's open our Visual Studio and create a console application with .NET Core 6.0 I am using. So I am creating a new project here. Console app. Next. So click on next. I am using .NET 6.0 long-term support. Click on create. Guys, after completing the session, I will upload this source code and I will give the link to download so that you can also refer to the source code. So deployment is completed. Let's go to resource. So this is my resource. So you can see in the left hand side, you can see container, file share. So we saw container, blob container in our first session. Today we are going to see file share. So click on file share. So you can see there are no file share here. Click on create. So here I am giving YouTube these files. Click on create. So this is my file share. Upon this, here we are going to create some directory or folder. So I am giving this test BISDIR. So this is my folder is created. This folder is empty now. So our .NET Core console application has created. Let's add the Nuget package, which is this one, azure.files.storage. So let's go to tools. I prefer to use console. So initialize the console. So just install this package. Yeah, it got installed. You can also go to the package management solutions by doing mouse click. Also you can install. The next thing is I have here some files. So I'm going to upload from file here. So just now I was looking into a file. So these are my files. I'm going to upload one of the file into my this Azure directory. Okay. Well, let's see some other file also. Let's go to YouTube thumbnail. Okay, these are my Azure, my YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to upload one by one file or one file from here. Okay, so we're going to need some namespaces, which is Azure, using Azure.storage file share and system.io. So in .NET Core 6.0 console application, no need of any void main. Here I am directly writing console.writeLine. After here I am writing console.writeLine. So here also I am going to write. So here I am going to write started. After completion it will completed. So here I am going to declare some variables, which is connection string, file share name, folder name, file name. So if we go to our storage section, go to the source, and if we go to access key here, go to shared access signature, allow these three. Now allow HTTP and HTTPS. Click on generate source and connection string. So here my connection string is this one. So let's add this connection string here. So this is my connection string. Next is go to file share. So my file share name is ytbs file. So this is my file share name. You can make it dynamic through your configuration file or through your database. Next, this is my directory name or my folder name, and I am going to upload a file which is called computer vision. So I am just keeping the same name as it is .png, or I am going to upload today's session, which is storage 2. This is my today's session thumbnail. Next, this is my file path. So I declare my connection string, file share name, for directory name, file name to be uploaded, and from the file path, right? Next, I am going to write the code to upload the file. So inside here, I am going to write a share client object named share. Here I am passing my connection string and file share name. Then creating a directory to get directory client from the folder name. Then I am creating the file by using our local file path. Okay. Next, I am uploading the file. So after opening this folder, you can see there is nothing is there. So let's run the application and see our this storage 2.png is uploading or not. Okay, I also need to give this complete file name here. Okay, and now see, run the application. So file uploading started. File uploading completed. Stop the application, go to our Azure portal, refresh the directory. So you can see storage 2.png is there. It's got down uploaded here. So in this way we can upload the file, right? So and now I'm going to comment this part, and I'm going to write my own code for downloading the file. So here I am going to need this connection string. Okay, let's uncomment this, and I am going to download inside my Azure download folder. This folder is empty, so I'm going to download here, right, with this storage2.png. So here I'm creating a share client by connection string and the file share name, and here I am looping through a share file item. So it's need a namespace which is called Azure storage file share models. So and it will be downloaded to this path. So I'm giving this local path inside this. So you can see in my folder, this Azure download folder, nothing is there. Now I'm running this application and see the file is downloading or not. Okay, so let's go to the folder. So you can see this is getting downloaded also. Let's delete this again and run again. We'll see. Okay, I'm just going to write here downloading started, and inside this completed. Downloading started, file name, okay, download completed. So see now this get download. Let's delete. So this is how to upload and download. Now we will see how to, after download, how we can delete this file completely. So inside this for each loop, I'm going to write a await which is file.delete async. Okay, so it will delete the file from this one. It will download the file and it will delete the file. So let's run the application and see how it is working. Downloading started, download file name, download completed, and also deleting also completed. So let's go to our portal, click on refresh. So you can see the file is deleted. So in this way you can operate with Azure file storage. Guys, I hope you understand the session properly. If you have any doubt, give me in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe these videos. Thank you very much.